Kung usapang reliability at multi-purpose na sasakyan, siguro may trophy na to. Pasok na pasok pang family, lalong-lalo na pang business. Kaya kung gusto mo na ito, I got you ulit. Good morning guys. Meron tayong new arrival, 2015 Mitsubishi L300 FB Body Exceed. Exterior-wise, fresh original paint at 14 inches wheels, makakapalang tires. At sa harap, halogen headlight, may chrome accent yung grille at zero ang ending. At sa engine naman, it's a 2.5 liter, 4-cylinder, 5-speed manual transmission diesel engine. At yung maintenance neto, sobrang basic lang. At syempre, may power din. Kayang-kaya niya i-handle yung 1,200 max payload, mapatao man or materyales para sa negosyo mo. Kaya dito sa atin sa Pilipinas, ito ang number one go-to vehicle pagdating sa pangnegosyo at pangkargahan. Kasi tingnan mo naman, napakaluwag ng likod, kasya ang 17 to 20 katao at naka-dual aircon system na rin yan. Pagdating naman sa kargahan, pwede ka rin magkarga ng mga materyales kasi natutupi yung mga upuan niya. At dito sa loob, intact na headliner, maayos na upuan at fresh na dashboard, touchscreen infotainment system, storage space dito at syempre aircon controls at napakapayat na steering wheel, paddle shifter, 5-speed manual transmission at analog display with 78,000 kilometers on the clock. At ang favorite part ko, yung detachable na rear view mirror. So this is the 2015 Mitsubishi L300 FB Exceed. So kung gusto nyo to guys, for only 465,000 pesos lang, mauuwi nyo na to. Open to for cash, trade-in and financing. So yung may mga business dyan, kunin nyo na to. Mura na to. Thank you guys. Peace out.